gentlemen, eyes to the left. You can hear the sounds of thunder. Well, it's not in the sky, it's on the ground, as the world's fastest jet-powered truck is coming in from your left. Aftershock, the jet-powered truck, a 1940 Ford fire truck with two huge jet engines that develop over 24,000 horsepower. Mark Smith at the controls from Springfield, Missouri. Listen to the huge jet engines roar as he comes down the show line. The truck will go from 0 to 60 miles an hour in only 1.5 seconds, 3 times faster than an F-15 jet fighter. Amazing to believe that when he accelerates down the runway today, he's going to pull 9 G's, slamming him into the seat. That's 9 times the force of gravity. Woo! Boy, you thought the Batmobile had a big flame. Nothing on Aftershock. The driver is Mark Smith. He's performed in drag races and air shows for many years. He's won several jet practices and has run the quarter mile and over 200 miles an hour. Souvenir t-shirts, hats, and photos are available. And of course, the crew would love to meet you a little bit later on. This happens, folks. It happens very quickly. Get your cameras ready. Mark will experience up to 6 G's as the huge parachute opens up later on. It's amazing the forces, again, that we talk about, G-forces. That's the force of gravity. And when he accelerates his truck, he's going to be slammed into that seat at 9 times the force of gravity. That means if you weighed 100 pounds, it'll make you feel like you weigh 900 pounds. Mark takes the Aftershock down to the end of the runway. In a moment, he'll turn that beautiful truck back around and we'll get ready for some incredible acceleration and speed from Aftershock. All right, get your cameras and camcorders, get everything ready to rock and roll because we're just seconds away. Again, from 0 to 60 in only 1.5 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, here he goes! Parachute pops out, and just that fast, he'll go from 350 to 250 in just 1 second. Wow, that is amazing. And we're going to get to see that. If you missed it, well, you're not out of luck. We're going to do a little bit later as well. Absolutely amazing. Aftershock, jet-powered truck. Again, we want to encourage you when they get back and pull in,